Does gun control actually stop gun violence? So first, let's point out a quick statistic. Violence statistics, not just gun violence statistics, violence statistics matter. It is true that if you have an armed population, in many cases you have a more polite population. According to PolitiFact, which is a far-left source, for England and Wales, the rate of violent crimes is 775 per 100,000 people. For the United States, that rate is 383 violent crimes per 100,000 people. The UK has double the violent crime rate of the United States, according to PolitiFact, and they have virtually no guns in their society. How about gun control in other nations? What you would expect is, again, this one-to-one correlation, because people keep suggesting over and over and over, more guns means more crime. Okay, let's look at the European countries. Let's take the United States completely out of it. Okay, the gun homicide rate in the United States, first of all, has declined faster than Australia's did after its gun buyback and ban program. And it's hard to measure the impact on mass shootings of Australia's gun buyback program because there were so few mass shootings before that. But if you look at gun control in other nations, right, the Small Arms Survey of 2007 estimates civilian ownership of firearms by nation. The United States ranks by far at the top. We have 101 guns per 100 residents. Number 8 is Norway. Norway has 31 guns per 100 residents. France is 9th. The UK ranks 82nd. So the UK doesn't have virtually any guns. Norway has a lot more guns. Okay, yet Norway is near the bottom of the list in terms of homicide rate. Just 0.56 murders per 100,000 inhabitants, and France ranks somewhere near the middle of the pack. They have triple the homicide rate of Norway, but they have way fewer guns, which suggests that maybe this has very little to do with guns, and it has a lot more to do with the population that is in your country. And you see this in the United States too. Right? There are states, there's no correlation whatsoever between a state having a high firearm ownership rate and a high crime rate. So the 10 lowest homicide jurisdictions in the United States